Summer's favorite fruit begins its journey here, in the sprawling, sun-drenched fields of the South.
Harvesting is manual work. Cutters select only the melons with the hollow thump sound of ripeness.
Teams work in perfect synchronization, passing tons of heavy fruit hand to hand to the transport vehicle.
Converted buses are often used to transport the delicate cargo safely out of the rough fields.
Once packed into bulk bins, the fruit is rushed to the processing plant to be cooled immediately.
Upon arrival, water unloading cushions the fall, preventing the heavy fruit from cracking under its own weight. Rotating brushes and high-pressure jets scour the rind, ensuring the fruit is hospital clean. Acoustic sensors listen for the perfect frequency, rejecting any fruit that is hollow or overripe.
Sorted by size, the fruit is aligned for the most visually satisfying step: automated peeling. In seconds, automated blades strip the tough green rind, leaving only the edible fruit. The top and tail blades remove the ends, maximizing the yield of the red center. The naked sphere, now fully exposed, is ready to be transformed into bite-sized portions.
First, the massive sphere is halved to stabilize it for the precision slicers.
Parallel blades reduce the halves into uniform slabs, ensuring consistent thickness.
Crosscutters perform the magic, producing thousands of perfect geometric cubes instantly. Vibration tables separate the cubes, allowing for individual inspection. Optical sorters detect color differences, rejecting any pieces that aren't perfectly ripe and red. Tons of fresh, ready-to-eat fruit accumulate, waiting to be sealed for freshness. Imperfect pieces aren't wasted. They are diverted to the juicing line for full extraction. Cold pressing technology extracts the liquid without heat, preserving the vibrant color and nutrients. The result is a flood of pure, hydrating juice, separated completely from the fiber. Centrifuges spin out the remaining solids and seed fragments, refining the texture. Flash pasteurization guarantees safety while locking in that summer fresh flavor. Chilled to 34 degrees, the juice waits in storage, ready to become popsicles or bottled drinks. The pure juice enters the freezing line, filling thousands of stainless steel molds per hour. Chocolate chips are added to mimic seeds, turning the juice into a playful frozen dessert. Stabilizers align the sticks perfectly before the deep freeze begins. A bath of sub-zero salt water freezes the treat solid in just under 20 minutes. Warm water loosens the molds, allowing the entire batch to be extracted in one satisfying motion.
A quick dip creates a candy shell, completing the watermelon slice look.
The packaging line starts with the denester, dispensing hundreds of containers per minute. Computerized scales calculate the perfect combination of chunks to hit the target weight. Modified atmosphere packaging removes oxygen, keeping the fruit crisp for up to 2 weeks. Simultaneously, the frozen treats are flow-wrapped at high speed to prevent freezer burn. Safety is non-negotiable. X-ray scanners peer through every package to guarantee purity. Robotic packers handle the delicate containers with a gentle touch, preparing them for transit. Automatic tapers seal the cartons securely, preparing the delicate fruit for stacking. Traceability labels track the batch,
linking the final product back to the specific harvest field.
Heavy-duty robots stack the inventory with geometric precision, creating stable, interlocking loads. Stretch wrapping locks the boxes together, ensuring the load survives the vibration of transport.
The frozen desserts enter the sub-zero warehouse, where they are kept rock hard until shipping. Meanwhile, the fresh fruit is held in a humidity-controlled cooler to maintain that crisp crunch.
Every hour, finished products are pulled from the line for rigorous analysis in the on-site lab.
Refractometers measure the Brix level. Only melons hitting the sweet spot of 10% sugar make the grade.
Microbiological testing scans for pathogens like Salmonella, ensuring the raw fruit is 100% safe.
Texture analyzers measure firmness. Customers want a crisp crunch, not mushy fruit.
Machines provide data, but the human palate is the final judge of that summer fresh flavor. Retention samples are monitored daily to guarantee the fruit stays fresh until the expiration date.
Processing creates tons of organic waste, but in a modern facility, nothing goes to the landfill.
Giant shredders convert the tough rinds into a nutrient-rich mash in seconds.
Excess moisture is removed, turning the waste into a stable, dry biomass. The mineral-rich rind is recycled as premium cattle feed, completing the agricultural circle. Millions of gallons of wash water are filtered and recycled, drastically reducing the environmental footprint. From solar power to zero-waste recycling, the facility is designed for a sustainable future. Maintained at a strict 34 degrees, the cold chain remains unbroken from factory to fleet.
Digital loggers track the temperature every minute, ensuring the fruit never warms up during transit.
From the fields of the south, the harvest travels overnight to reach shelves by morning.
Crisp, sweet, and convenient, ready to be enjoyed without the mess of cutting.
It is the ultimate taste of summer, captured and preserved by modern engineering.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon treats from start to finish.